Hello, in today's video we would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this Emporia Smart 4 device. So first of all, let me go to the settings, more settings, here choose the display category. And once I expand the advanced options of display category of settings and open the values for the screen timeout, I'll see that in here all that we gotta do is to tap on the never value, and that will effectively mean, as you could already guess, that you have successfully set the auto screen off timer or screen sleep timer to never. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.